you guys. My name's Tabitha and I'm from Huntsville, Alabama, and I am going to kind of walk you through how to look for free clip art on Teacher Pay Teacher. Now, there's tons of other clip art available from Google and all of these different things that you could look up for your own clip art. To me, personally, I think even if you don't want to set up a store in Teacher Pay Teacher, being a buyer on Teachers Pay Teachers doesn't cost you anything. You do have to register. You get a username and a password, and you get to save your clip art. It actually saves it in a semi-type cloud form so that if something happened to your computer or your external drive or however you save your clip art, you can always re-download your clip art. There's been times where I've been at work and I've needed a Mother's Day set from Teacher Pay Teachers that I've already purchased, and I'm able to log on to Teacher Pay Teachers, go to my purchases, and just download it there. So it's super helpful. So I'm going to walk you through how to find free clip art, how to save it on your computer, so that in our next discussion we can work on opening up PowerPoint and creating a simple product for you to use, even just in your classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your internet, however you use it. We use Google Chrome, so I'm just going to click on that button. I'll go ahead and make it bigger because it was small. Up in the search bar at the top, you are going to type in teacherspayteachers.com. Hit enter. Let me log out so I can show you how to log in. I was already logged in, but I logged out. Okay, so this is the screen that you'll first come to when you type in Teacher Pay Teachers. You're going to type your login information. Mine is my email address, and then you're going to type in a password that you chose when you registered your Teacher Pay Teacher stuff, and hit login. Your screen is going to look a little different than my screen because I am a seller on Teacher Pay Teachers. This is my dashboard, but none the same. The search is still the same. If you will go to the search bar at the top and type in free pencil clip art and hit enter, the search engine is going to pop up. You're going to see some options available in the middle of the page. If you notice towards the right of the page, these are not free. If you have to go down for a little while and you do see a free one, if you would like to narrow your search to where it is only free products posted, if you go over to the left hand side under price category, it says free. You can click that and it will pop up. As you can see, there's 98 results for free pencil clip art. Some of you are going to find that you like a particular artist's style better than the other. I have some that I'll share with you that I use that are really pre-K, kindergarten, first grade friendly. To me, they're kind of cute and cartoony almost, so they're just really fun and appealing for the kids of that age. So for search purposes, I'm just going to use the very first one that we come to. You're going to click the green link on there, and at the top right hand corner there's a red download now button, and you're going to click the download now button. And however your computer works, this particular computer pops up where it says save as. If you will click on your desktop on the left hand corner, and up at the top it says new folder, if you will click new folder, it will give you the option to create a folder name. I would suggest naming your folder clip art or whatever, and make sure you're clicked on that folder that you just typed the name in and hit open. Then you hit save. Mine downloads it automatically right here where you can pull it up, but if your computer does not automatically download it, you can minimize the computer screen, the internet. On your desktop, you will see your folder that you created. Okay, so you find your folder that you made, Clip Art 2. If you'll notice, there is a little folder where you just downloaded, but it looks like it has a zipper on it. That means this is a zip file. So you want to double click on it, and then you can unzip the JPEG or the PNG. I always just unzip the PNG because it's a transparent background. And what that means is when we open up PowerPoint and we work on our product, there will not be a white background attached to the picture. It will be a transparent background. So if you'll just double click on the PNG, and up at the top left hand corner where it says extract all files, you're going to click that button, and it's going to ask you to select a designation and extract the files. Just hit extract, and it is going to open those files in that same folder, the same place. You don't have to look for it again. So now when you click on it and you click PNG, you should actually see the clip art that you just downloaded. It should all be there. And if you'll notice, this particular artist has a blackline version, which in the future is really, really important if you want to create worksheets and things that are reproducible that don't use a lot of colored ink. And then you'll see that she's created pencils that are all these different colors. And so in your free set that you've just downloaded, you've gotten all of this clip art together. It's in that your clip art folder, and it's under pencils, free graphic for commercial use. Which brings me to a little reminder on commercial use. Every graphic artist, whether you get your clip art from Teachers Pay Teachers, from Google, from a clip art service, wherever you decide to get your clip art from, has a terms of use. Every artist on Teacher Pay Teachers has a commercial use and a personal use terms of service. The personal use allows you to create things for your classroom or to create things for your home or for your kids for you to use personally, and you don't have to do anything with that. If you choose to start distributing your product, meaning you want to sell it on Teacher Pay Teachers, you want to give it away on a blog, however you want to do it, you want to share it with your coworkers, there is a clause in the terms of use that says you must give credit to the artist. This is something that we will talk through when we actually start to work towards putting things into the store, because you want to be respectful of people's things that they have done. If you ever do start to sell your products, you will learn very quickly that people will take things and claim it as their own. So you want to be able to respect other people's terms of use. And you will get to a point, if you ever sell things or you ever give things away, that you will have your own terms of use on your products. And it's funny, if you look at my first product that I posted earlier, was my very first product I ever created for my classroom. It was done in Microsoft Word. It was very difficult and very time consuming. And so with this video, I'm hoping with these training videos that we'll be able to help you create something that is not as painful to you, for you to have to make something. And let me just touch on the point really quick as to why I chose PowerPoint over Publisher and Word. My very first product, like I said, I created in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is not graphic friendly. Microsoft Word is meant to be a document program where you type things. If you make a sign, you type things. It's very difficult to manipulate all the different things you have going on your product page. Microsoft Publisher is easier to work with, but I noticed that when I started having products that were bigger than 5 or 6 pages, Publisher would freeze up on me, and then I wouldn't be able to complete the product, or it would erase half the stuff that I did. Also, a huge bonus in PowerPoint is if I want to make something for, say, like a alphabet set. I want my background on my alphabet set for my classroom to be the same. So I don't want to recreate that page 26 times. Microsoft PowerPoint allows you to be able to create one page, duplicate that page, so I can duplicate it, and then I can just insert single graphics for each letter of the alphabet, and I don't have to lay the page out 26 times. That's something I know that may be way complicated or sound way crazy, but there is a reason and a easy method behind using Microsoft PowerPoint over anything else in the Office suite. So that is why I choose to use Microsoft PowerPoint, and we will get into that in a couple more discussions, but a couple of you have already asked why I chose PowerPoint over Publisher, and one of the biggest selling factors for me was that I can duplicate the slides and I don't have to recreate every individual slide. So I shared with you earlier a PDF of my very first product, and I'm fixing to post another PDF of a product that I created in PowerPoint. I have sold lots and lots and sets of this particular set. It's like a monthly learning skills packet, and it is free on my Teacher Pay Teacher store, and I'm going to give it to you guys for free as well, just to show you how you can create a product, whether it's to sell on Teacher Pay Teachers or whether it's just to use in your classroom. You can create this product. It was created with Microsoft PowerPoint. So when I show you the next product, that's exactly how I created it, and we will work through on how to create a page similar to one of those pages and how to manipulate those things in PowerPoint and for it to just be easy for you. If you have any questions or concerns about how to search for free clip art, how to download the free clip art, how to save it to your computer, just post a comment to this video, or you can send me a message, or you can post in our group, and I will be up for the next couple of hours, so I will try to help you with any questions or concerns or frustrations you may have. I will try to work through them with you, and if not, tomorrow when I get up, I will see them and I will try to help you then. And no question is too silly, so just don't hesitate to ask. And I hope that this was beneficial to you. Don't let it be overwhelming. There is lots of free clip art for you to search through. So before we post our next discussion, go find you some clip art. Make sure you have a folder designated for your clip art so it's easy to find when we start to create the product. Go through and pick out whatever kind of free clip art you want, whether it's on Teacher Pay Teachers or however you want to look for your clip art. To me, Teacher Pay Teachers is the easiest way to find free clip art, especially education driven. So go and look for your free clip art. Have you some clip art to work on for our next discussion so we can work on an actual page in PowerPoint. I hope you guys have a great night and good luck.